Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11 so you can free up memory and make your system run smoother. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Processes. Click the Memory column to sort by highest usage. Right-click any app you do not need. Click End Task. Now click Startup Apps on the left side. Disable unnecessary startup programs to prevent them from loading at boot. Next, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Apps. Click Installed Apps. Uninstall apps you no longer use. Now go back and click System. Click Power and Battery. Set power mode to best power efficiency if you want lower background activity. Now click Accessibility. Click Visual Effects. Turn off animation effects to reduce memory usage slightly. Restart your computer after making these changes. Your RAM usage should now be lower with fewer background processes running. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.